Hello everyone. Next we are going to make a rainbow having a cute expression on the face. Starting by making the rainbow by using different colors. We are going to draw the eyes at first and highlighting the eyes as well. Then we are going to make the cute mouth and then the hands as well. And when it's ready we are going to give it a cute blush effect as well on the cheeks, and then your beautiful cute rainbow is completed. Next we are going to make a fish. Starting by making the body of the fish, we are going to make the tail, mouth, eyes, and then we are going to make the pattern on the fish as well. At the end we are going to draw two fins on both of the sides and your fish is ready. Next we are going to make a ladybug. By using red color sketch pen, we are first going to draw a circle and then we are going to make the face by using black colored pen including the eyes and the ears, and then we are going to draw the pattern of dots like this on the body, thereby making legs as well, and your cute ladybug is completed. Next we are going to make a brother and a sister combo. Starting by making the sister, we are going to make the face and then the eyes, nose, mouth, hair. Also we are making a bow on the top of her head, and then we're gonna make the body including the hands and then the legs. After it's ready we are going to make her little brother as well. We are going to first make the face and then we're gonna move ahead towards the body and the hands as well and legs. After that we are going to make him hold a flower in his hands like this, and then when they are ready we are going to start coloring them by using brown color for the hair and red and blue color for the costumes, and they are completed.